Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can attach or send a file to other people using your Gmail. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to attach or send a file to others using your Gmail, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to set up the email that you will send. So just click this compose button right here. And then you can now begin on setting up your email. So right here, you just need to enter the email address of the user you want to send this mail to. Make sure to enter their email address correctly to make sure that they will receive it. And after entering the email address of the receiver, next, though this is optional, but you can enter a subject for your email. The subject is like a title or summary of your email that will give them an idea what your email is about. I recommend you doing this, but it will still be fine even if you don't enter anything. And now that we're done with the setup, let's move on to the main part, which is sending or attaching the file we want to send. So to do that, first, I want you to click this paperclip button right here. And after clicking it, your file explorer will now appear, so just go to the location of the file that you want to send. In my case, the file I want to send is in the downloads folder, so this is where I would go. And once you're at the location, just find the file. And once you've found it, just go and select it. And then click the open button. And after that, your file will now be attached to your email, so you can now start sending it. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, your email will now be sent with your file attached to it, so the receiver can now open it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.